babe. Where are we going to?
North Bend Park.
Almost there. 13 minutes out. Truck. Very well organized. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We appreciate you all joining us on our adventure for the weekend. Made this little video here just to follow and document my experience of camping here, basically on a budget, and hopefully get you guys out there as well here at North Bend's campgrounds. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, hopefully you guys can see me, but we made it here at North Bend campgrounds here. It's like on the border between North Carolina and Virginia. We played Tetris back here, as you guys can tell. We just got to our site and it's not really what I was expecting. A little closer to the people than I thought, but it's cool. There's people there, bathrooms are over there. People here, we got a fire pit, table, our second table. My very muscular girlfriend is working on a little baby grill here. We got our canopy, all other stuff. We're gonna set up our tent. It's an in-bed truck tent, so it should be cool. We did a quick cheers right here in the dark just to celebrate our arrival and to start our adventure here for the weekend. And then we went ahead and set up our campsite, starting with the canopy and then pitching up our tent on the truck and the kitchenware and all that good stuff, guys. So overall took us about 30 to 40 minutes to set it all up, and then we immediately started cooking dinner. All right. Oh, you can't even see the setup, but here it is. Tent in bed. We got some lights going across, but this right here is the main attraction. Look at that. Oh, look at those. You just made money off your feet. Ladies and gentlemen, it is 11:30 at night. We got some steak, a couple of drinks. This is our setup as of now. Burner. We got the all-purpose butane. Yeah, I mean, come on. My Dayquils. I'm gonna take like a few shots of that. We got some nice string lights going across this time. That's my main ingredient. That's keeping me alive right now. There's our fire pit. We haven't used it tonight, but we did use our grill. Look at all these bugs. Day 2. This is the setup. At the back in-bed tent going on this thing. Picked this up off of Amazon for around 140. Check inside. Hopefully we don't have a mess. Oh, nice. Perfect size mattress for it. We got some pockets on the side, some windows. Most importantly, doesn't get wet. Breakfast over here. This is a pretty good setup. I like it. Chairs, fire pit. There it is. There's our setup. Essentials. First night was pretty good. Was a little cold, but we're welcoming this rain. One with nature. It's about 1:30 and we are about to check out a beach. About to check out a beach. Look at that. Who's that? Is that Winnie the Pooh? There's a sailboat over there.
So red.
It is. It's weird. Why isn't this a swimming area?
It's not?
No.
Why?
You have to go further down. I don't know. That's a weird thing.
Or we have to walk out somewhere else?
Yeah.
I think it's just like further down the campground, right?
Yeah.
And the left us a love note.
It says to go left. Damn. Talk about a dam. We stopped over here. Looks to be a power. Just birds chilling. Would have definitely sent. And look at look at those spider webs. Would have been cool to send out the drone, but they do have a big sign that says no unmanned drones. And here's the truck. There's my beautiful girlfriend. Oh, I see him. Guess somebody's going in for a dip. It's a little crazy. I don't know if I would do that, but here's the truck. I know I haven't done a video on it in a while, guys. There's that dent from my last off-roading trip. And it looks like it's gotten worse. What the hell? It looks bad. But in other news, we got new tires. We got some meaty boys on them. Some fresh tread. These are General Grabbers, all terrains. So far so good. I've only put a couple hundred miles on them. It looks like a park ranger coming in. Day 2 update. We'll stop by the store to go pick up an extra light. I left my other light back at home.
Later that same evening.
Probably cannot see anything. Dark. Firewood is wet. Girlfriend is sick. But we do have this one little shrimp going for us.
Burn, baby, burn.
Today's meal, we're gonna make shrimp and chorizo quesadillas.
I did it.
It's very hot. Nice. Unfortunately, the firewood that we got was wet. It rained a lot today. You can hear it sizzling. But our spirits are up.
Spirits are up.
Even though we're all both sick.
Spirits and spirits.
Spirits! That's gonna keep us going. Boy, cooking. Here it is. I got the shrimp boys in. We got our day crow. We suffered one casualty. Who was it?
I don't know. She's my second night.
So when it comes to cooking, we use a mini charcoal grill. We use that mostly for dinner. Also have a portable camping stove that uses propane and butane fuels. Use that mostly for breakfast stuff. I also have a cast iron, as you guys can see there. And we also have a kitchen utensil set that we picked off of Amazon. This is what happens when you take your eyes off the grill.
That's because you wanted me to help.
This is what happens. Look at that. Freshly coated with charcoal. Oh no.
That's why you love the smoky flavor.
That's that smoky flavor. Oh yeah. Look at those 5 shrimps go.
And there cannot be casualties that go into the grate because there's only this.
You guys don't want to know how many we lost in the Great Shrimp War. Oh my god. It's horrible.
Oh my God.
There's people at the beach.
I hear that. And I heard them speak Spanish.
Let's go. After we copyrighted.
I thought these were going to be quiet clips anyways.
Woo! No. I need to have voiceovers on something. Damn.
It's okay. It's a fatty. It's a fatty.
Damn. Look at that one. Shrimp chorizo quesadillas. Look how strong this flashlight is. Okay. Boom. You think that's strong? Boom. We just turned night into day. And then doom.
3:28 a.m.
Here it is, guys. F-150 with the camper tent. Now this over here is made for the 5.5 feet all the way to 6 feet, which is pretty much where the tailgate is when it's opened up. And the way it's hooked up is you have 4 rods, one on this side going across, you have another on this side, form the shape. These straps latch on to pretty much whatever the hooks can find. They're just hooks. You can adjust them. They hold pretty well. Last night's storm kind of showed just how well this thing is. adjust it, and you just find, that's it. That kind of holds its shape in. Unstrap it, same goes for the front. Front one has 3 so that this bit over here comes out. Now I had one before, but the rod broke, so I got an updated version they sent me. This one comes with 4 little pockets to store things. We do have windows. I love that, middle window. And this one has a hook at the top. So we threw a little fan light up there, and we have a truck bed mattress. These are pretty much just inflatable ones. Just like that. Comes with the machine that plugs into your 12-volt cigarette lighter thing. And I love it, guys. It's waterproof for the most part, but there is condensation, so you get tiny little droplets every now and then. But other than that, guys, I love the storage space up here. I do recommend getting some sort of mats when you come up here because, well, it does hurt. It does hurt when you climb onto this metal, so maybe a yoga mat or something like that should clear it. But this is it, guys. This was our domain for the weekend, guys. I absolutely love this thing. So much better than on the floor like everybody else. Everyone else is a noob on the floor, but not us. That is going to do it for our weekend adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you have any questions or if you have any tips that you want to let me know about, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace and take care.